Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok account warning. First of all, I will tell you what are the reason behind your TikTok account warning. The first reason is as that you have violated any kind of TikTok community guidelines, and the second one is as that you have shared any kind of spam link with your video, or you have shared a video or content that is banned on TikTok or that is violated community guidelines. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. First of all, you have to open TikTok, and here you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. After clicking on three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on report a problem. Here you have to report your problem and explain your problem to TikTok team that your account warning is not right because you have not violated any kind of community guidelines. After scrolling down, you have to click on submit a report, and here you have to explain TikTok team that you have not violated any kind of community guidelines or you have not upload any kind of content that has violated community guidelines. As you can see, I have already pasted that description for you. You have to copy that and explain that problem to you. Moreover, you can also attach a screenshot from your device of the warning account. After that, you can click on submit and your problem will be submitted to TikTok team. You can do the same by another method, which is as you have to open any kind of browser and you have to search for feedback TikTok. After searching, you will find the link as share your feedback. You have to click on that. After that, you will find that kind of contact information. You have to provide email address, your username, and you have to select your topic, means which kind of problem you are facing, and you can also explain the matter behind what is the issue, and you can also here again paste that description I have already mentioned, and you can explain that problem to TikTok team. After that, you can also attach a screenshot of the problem of account warning. After that, you can click on both ticks and click on submit it, and your account report will be submitted to the TikTok team. In this way, your account warning will be removed as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.